Hi guys, it's Debbie from What's Mama Cooking For Us, and today we're going to make a flamingo cake. And for the ingredients, we need one 15-ounce white cake mix, a 3.5-ounce cherry jello, 3/4 cups of oil, 3/4 cups of milk, 3 large eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla. And that's the cake, and we're going to bake that at 350 for about 30-35 minutes. All right, and for the frosting, we need 1 8-ounce can of crushed pineapple, 1 3.4-ounce pack of instant vanilla pudding, 1 16-ounce tub of the whipped topping, and 1 8-ounce jar of cherries, and save some of the juice. So I'm going to get everything set up, and let's make this delicious cake. It's going to be pink, and it's going to be so delicious and so pretty. Okay, you guys, this is so simple and so easy. I just wanted to show you. This is a 15-ounce, well, 15.25 ounce, just a white cake mix. Remember, I always tell you, keep your scissors right there handy. Makes your life easier. So just put that in there. And this is a 3-ounce jello. And just put that right in. Our 3 eggs. There's 1. And it's already turning pretty pink already, guys. Our 3/4 cup of milk. And then we're going to need 3/4 cups of oil. Okay. That in. And then, I'm not sure if I said it, but I think we need a teaspoon of, oh, sorry guys, I dropped the paper, the recipe. Yeah, a teaspoon of vanilla. And I got a teaspoon. Vanilla smells so good. Ooh, look at that, you guys. So I'm going to use a 9x13 cake pan, and I'm just going to take a little bit of oil, just, you know, so it doesn't stick. So just get this mixed completely. And just so there's no questions, you don't follow the directions on the back of the cake mix, you just put the mix in. And get those eggs good and beat. And I usually beat my eggs before I put them in, so I don't have to go through that. But you know, I'm doing a recipe and then I always mess up somewhere. Okay, that looks good. I'm gonna get my spatula though. Let's see. And go around and get all the sides. And I can still see some egg in there, so I'm going to get that mixed in a little bit better. Okay, let me get my pan ready. So to grease the pan, I'm just going to put a tiny bit of oil. You don't need much at all. And then just put it up the sides. All the way around the bottom and the sides. Okay, so that's it for that. And just put your cake mix in. Simple and easy. My favorite words. Okay, and then I'm just going to get this in the oven. Like I said, at 350, and I'll be back when it's finished. So in the meantime, I set aside a 1/4 cup of the cherry juice. And since I had a big container of the pineapple, the 8 ounces and then the 8 ounces of cherries. And then I'm going to chop them in half. Simple and easy. Oh, and you can leave some whole for the top. And then I just got my box already open. So when the cake's cool, we'll be all set to do that and clean up the rest of the mess. And then you'll be all ready to go when the cake's cooled. All right, let's start the frosting. So we're just gonna put in our half cherries, our pineapple and the juice. And let's give this a mix. Let's see. Then we're gonna use our 3.4 ounce instant vanilla pudding. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so good, you guys. And then we got our 16 ounce tub of whipped cream. Oh my gosh, who doesn't love whipped cream? Okay, we get all that out of there. Meantime, my cake is cooled about 40 minutes and it cooked 35 minutes. So let's mix that all up. Ooh, look at that, you guys. And then we have our reserved 1/4 cup of cherry juice. And you can add more if you need to. Look at that. So perfect. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. I can feel it thickening up from the pudding. And I think I am going to add a little bit more because it's not red enough for me. I should say pink enough. Oh my gosh. All right, let me get in there and make sure I got it all at the bottom. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that. And that's our frosting for our cake. You can't get any easier or delicious. Okay, let's get this on our cake. Okay, my cake cooked 35 minutes. And I did put a toothpick in it to make sure it was done. And I let it cool a good, like 40 minutes. So then you put this in the fridge and let it set up for a couple of hours. So this did take some time to cool and to bake. But in the meantime, you could be doing other things. But really, it took us 5 minutes to do the first part, put it in the oven, and then it took us, like, 2 minutes to put this part together, so 10 minutes to set it up, or to prep it up, sorry. Look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. So it's good to go in the fridge, and I have a lid for mine. I love this Pyrex dish and the Pyrex top. But if you don't, just put some plastic wrap over the top. And we'll be back in 2 to 3 hours to see how good it tastes. Also, guys, I just wanted to show you how cool it looks. See the layer of frosting and the cake? Yummy, yum. Oh, my goodness. All right, guys, let's check it out. It is set up perfectly. It's been about 2 hours. Of course, clean as you go, so I cleaned up all the mess. And if you guys like this video, show me some love. Like this video for me. Click the like button for me. And if you're new and you like this video, come back for more and subscribe. So let's cut us a slice. It's gonna be good. Let's get under there. Can you guys see that? Look at that. Absolutely perfect. Let me take you in there so you can see that. Can you see that, guys? Let's put a couple of cherries on top to make it look really pretty. Well, or one. Let me take my thumbnail, guys. I gotta do that, and then we'll take that bite. Okay, this looks so delicious. Can you guys see how amazing that looks? Ready? Let's go in for that first bite. Here you go. I need another bite just to make sure. Absolutely perfect. You guys, you gotta give this a try. So simple, so easy. It might have seemed like a lot of ingredients, but you know, without, you know, the eggs and the oil and the milk, it's under like $7. Throw it together for a party. You'll be a big hit. And I hope you guys do. I hope you guys try it out. And I'll see you guys on the next one. I'll leave a link above of some of my other desserts. So go check them out. And thanks for watching. As always, love you guys and be blessed.